This is Dr. Nivedita Ganguly, Principal DAV International School, Ahmedabad, and today I'm very excited to interview Savit and Bishali ma'am. So let us hear from them why am I so excited?
Thank you, ma'am, for the interview opportunity. Me and Vaishali ma'am are invited as special guests on the occasion of Independence Day celebration 2024 at the Red Fort, New Delhi.
Okay. Vaishali ma'am, you were not able to hold yourself and you immediately rang me up when you heard this news from Prime Minister office. So how did you feel and why are both of you getting this honor?
Ma'am, I feel very proud. And why we have got this honor? Because Ministry of Education launched a program named Prerna, where two students from every district been selected with a rigorous process, and then they've been taken to Vadnagar, that is the birthplace of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and there they are getting 1 week residential program. So two students been selected. Savit was one of them, and he was gone to Vatnagar in the first week of February. He was there, and I was also there along with Savit as a guardian teacher, and we attended all 7 days program. And as a teacher, I prepared lesson plan and submitted them.
So there were so many students who had gone for the interview for the Prerna and you were selected. So what was that one thing that made you get selected over there?
I personally believe the confidence to answer and the precision, along with the knowledge of our Vedic as well as Indian culture, made me get
So
selected.
Vedic and Indian culture. What was the question from the Vedic culture they asked you and what did you answer?
One of the most general questions people are asked is the Bhagavad Gita and the Mahabharata the same book or both of them are the different texts? My reply to this was the Bhagavad Gita is a part of the Mahabharata, mainly because it included the conversation between Krishna and Arjun during all the 18 days of the war. People presume that both are the different books and that we have to study them independently. But in reality, once you acquire the knowledge of the Gita, you also get acquired by the knowledge of the Mahabharata.
Very true. So it's a part of Bhagavad Gita, part of Mahabharata, and it is a conversation between Sri Krishna and Arjuna just before the war began.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yes, very nice. So, knowledge of Vedic scripture, knowledge of Indian culture, that was one thing that made you different. How do you think that DAV Ahmedabad promotes this Indian heritage culture feeling amongst the students?
Yes, ma'am, very true. Because when I was there for this Prerna program, and I am observing Savit very closely, and I was still so proud and so happy that he knows everything. It was a program where they are giving us the input of the Vedic culture and knowledge, and Savit already learned all these things from the school. So that indeed a very proud moment. For
So, what are the things of DAV Ahmedabad do you think that has cultivated this values, this kind of value within you?
The holistic learning method that we all have taken by imparting Western education as well as parts of Indian education, and mainly the Srimad Bhagavad Gita lessons that we have each and every year on each and every adhyay. The way, ma'am, you explain it to us, along with some Sanskrit Sambhashan that we always have in the month of August, made me close to Vedic culture.
Very, very nice. So happy to hear that our effort is, that vibration spreads. So Savit is over here in DAV Ahmedabad, and the vibration of DAV Ahmedabad he is spreading all around in entire country. Isn't it now going to Delhi? Anything else closing that you want to share? Although I will be asking you your experience when you come back from Delhi. Anything else which you want to express?
If I were to say one thing, it is that the million possibilities in life, you will get million opportunities, million roads to be successful. The one thing to always remember is to take hold of the opportunity at the right time and never wait for the future.
Yes.
Yesterday, Savit got a call from Ministry of Defence. They asked Savit to give a small video, and today it's been uploaded in their website, in the Facebook page, Ministry of. Really a proud moment for our school.
JV Ahmedabad, a proud moment that we are there in website of Ministry of Defence. And so proud of you, Savit. And of course, for DAV as an institution.
Yes.
So we are DAVians. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Vaishali ma'am.